Jessica over at Three Rivers Homestead has challenged us to live out of our pantry without going to the grocery store during January and February. This can be a difficult challenge for many, so she has one rule. You get to make up your own rules. Some people are allowing themselves to spend a set amount of money at the grocery store each month. Some allow for purchasing only fresh foods that don't keep over the long term. Some are not doing the challenge for the entire 2 months, but for a shorter period of time. Whatever you believe you can do, I encourage you to join this challenge just so you get an idea of what your life might look like if the grocery store shelves were empty and you had to live on what you already had stocked up on. Shortages became a way of life in 2020, but what if it happened again, but much worse? Could you feed your family for 1, 2, or more months from just what you have in your pantry? Over many years, not just since 2020, we have lived this way. Probably because our parents taught us to live this way. When something goes on sale, we buy as much as we can afford or the limit the store imposes, so we will have it for future use. We grow a garden and preserve the fruits and vegetables we produce with the goal of storing at least a year's worth, preferably 2 years. We cook from scratch to reduce the shelf space that would be needed to keep all of our favorite foods stocked. By having the individual ingredients on the shelf, we can make many dishes from the same ingredients. For instance, I can make bread, cookies, noodles, and gravy from flour. Nearly everything I make needs some salt, and by making food from scratch, I get to control the amount. And by keeping rice on hand, I can make chicken and rice casserole, rice pilaf, or cooked rice to eat for breakfast. Because we have always lived a self-sufficient lifestyle, 2020 wasn't nearly as big a deal for us as it was for those who have to shop every 3 or 4 days. So, this month, instead of showing you all of the meals we make from our pantry, I will be teaching you how to start living the life of self-sufficiency like we do. We will be making ghee, a shelf-stable form of butter. I will show you my quick and easy way of baking bread that is more healthy and delicious than that store-bought stuff. We will be batch cooking and canning so that you will always have a quick meal to fix for your family when you are too busy to cook. And we will be going over many other tips and tricks that will save you time, money, and ensure your pantry is always stocked with food to feed your family, even when the stores are running short. Wait and see what you can do with powdered milk. So, if this is something you're interested in learning, click that subscribe button so that you are notified when the next video comes out. Welcome to the Old Mayfield Place. I'm Snow, the farmer's wife, and I teach you to be more self-sufficient. Thank you for stopping by, and have a blessed week.